What do you want? Let's go. Come on. You want to show me what you want? Oh, is that what you want? You want food? Hello everyone, it is past 11 a.m. and I did my best to try and sleep in because I was really sleepy and I hate sleeping in. So I kept waking up like every 30 minutes, but I did my best. I think I slept pretty good. This one here kept stealing the blankets all night long. So, and last night where we went to hang out with my friend, it was kind of cold, so I woke up a little congested, so that's awesome. Made myself some breakfast, or made us some breakfast, some fried egg, and some coffee. So let me show you guys what that looks like, but I just wanted to say good morning, hello, and welcome to day 21. So let's see what we get into for today. Alright, so this is the half bagel that I made. I topped it with the fried egg. And there is my coffee with the peppermint mocha creamer that I froth in my cute little mug here. So let's see what the egg situation's like. What do you think?
I think it cooked.
Oh no, it overcooked. Alright, so this is the way that Jessica Braun and Tyler Braun, they do it. They cover it. But I've never done it like that, so I was testing it out and I failed. So I guess I'll just have to keep trying. But they do it like that so it cooks more evenly, which it definitely did, but it overcooked. So I'll have to work on that. But I mean, at least there's no like sliminess, so that's pretty cool. It just goes vacuuming, but I quickly wanted to show you guys this that I bought when we went grocery shopping. This is sweetened with honey ketchup. So it's reduced sugar, and then if you look at the ingredients, look how little ingredients it has. Oh, I was so excited when I saw this because it seems to be a little healthier. So we'll see what it tastes like. I'm a little iffy about the whole honey thing, but we'll see. All right, so I'm doing some cleaning in my room because I'm feeling very productive. All these scarves were in my scarf drawer, but I don't wear all these scarves. So these I'm actually going to be donating. These I'm going to give to Francisco because he actually doesn't have any scarves. And I feel like these ones are more masculine. Then these are the ones that I'm keeping here. Those are more like blanket scarves, so they're bigger. They're the ones I got at Costco. These are like infinity, and these are more like the thinner whatever other scarves. And this is a beanie right here. But I keep these under my bed, but I needed to organize them because it wasn't closing anymore. And then I need to put all this away. And then I'm tackling the jeans right now. I'm going to see which ones I want to keep and which ones I want to get rid of because there's no person in the world that needs this many jeans. Hello everyone, it is 2:27 and I'm taking a break from cleaning because I'm hungry. So I'm going to just pick a few leftovers, mix it up, and make like a type of salad right now. Tea with like crackers or something, kind of like a lighter lunch, and then we're gonna have a heavier dinner later. I'm gonna be chopping up some tomatoes into like little squares. We have some corn left over here, and then some corn here from the food I brought from work, so I'm gonna throw that in there. This we're probably not gonna eat, I'm not sure. I hate wasting food, but I don't think we're gonna get to eat that. I think I brought too much home. This is from Sprouts. We bought it the other day. Right. And this is what it looks like in the end. So there is tomatoes, corn, chicken, and then I ended up throwing some of these French tall green beans because I don't like canned vegetables, but my mom had bought them last time she was here, so I just wanted to use them up. And then we're going to be eating them with these Green First whole grain crackers. I bought a pack at Costco, and I have not tried these yet, so we're going to eat them with this. And then also you add mayonnaise and salt to preference. I also found these at the store. Hibiscus tea, the Jamaica. And I recently realized that I really like it. It's I usually find them like at the Mexican stores and stuff like that. So what I did is I put in a jar 2 teas with boiling water, and I'm just letting it sit in there. And then I'm gonna get another glass with like ice and then empty some of it in there and then have iced Jamaica tea or Jamaica water, hibiscus tea. Alright, so I'm done with my jeans, and this is what the drawer looks like now. Here are all like my nicer jeans that they're just nicer. Wait, where is it? This one? Oh no, it's these. So these are my least favorite jeans because of either the color, the fit, or I don't know, whatever. These are more my favorite jeans right here. And over here, I have all my actual wholly ripped jeans. So these are all have actual holes. Like this one has a hole, but it's patched, so it doesn't actually have a hole. But I guess I could put it over there, but it won't fit. So I'm just leaving them here. I don't need this many, but I like having jeans. I think they're pretty much all high-waisted except for maybe these. I don't think these were high-waisted. I don't know why I didn't buy them high-waisted because now they kind of go down below my belly and I don't like them. I prefer high-waisted, but they're all pretty much high-waisted. So I'm gonna get rid of these. These are like mom jeans. They're kind of looser. And then these other ones here because they shrunk, so they look like high waters now. And I know that's like a style that a lot of people like. I don't. So my mom is shorter than me, so I'm gonna keep these for her. And I'm cleaning my bed. But look who I found. Mr. Sleepyhead sleeping on top of the donation scarves. Okay, so I'm going through my hoodies because I clearly have too many. And are you guys the type of people that stain your clothes? Do you guys see that stain right there? I hate that I'm that person that stains her clothes. It looks more like the color here. It's like a dark, not like a, I don't know what you would call this, but it's like a sage color. And it's really pretty, which is why I bought it. Alright, so this is my hoodie situation. I have a few dirty, but those 3 other ones I bought at H&M. And then these other ones I have. Alright, and these ones I'm going to actually put away in the storage because these are more on like the lighter end. So they're thinner. Like this one's definitely thinner. This one's thinner. And these other ones are more like, I don't know. I just feel like I won't wear them right now in winter. So I'm going to put them away with the clothes for the next season. And I live in hoodies. And then, of course, up there are all my fuzzy sweaters. So those I use more than hoodies right now. But I did want to keep a few because sometimes I like using a hoodie. Excuse you? Are you okay? Should be cleaning this mess right here. And I've tried, but I don't know what to do with it. It always becomes a mess. Those are all my leggings and joggers and all that and sweats. So I think I'm just going to leave it as is for now. And that's all my workout clothes. I have these hanging because I actually like to wear these out. But that was during summer. So I guess for now I'll just throw them in there because I am not going to be wearing a tank top right now. So these are the crew necks I'm keeping. Really like wearing these like more so around the house, but because they don't have a hood they make me cold. And then I'm gonna put these away. They're not all crew necks, but they are like hoodless, so I'm gonna be putting all these away, and I'm only gonna keep this. And like I said, I'm not touching that, but I should be cleaning this up, but that's not gonna happen. So I realized I never showed you guys the after of the room after I cleaned it because I actually never finished it. So now it's finished. Let me show you guys what it looks like. I was able to clear out all the shoes that I had stacked here. This is an ongoing issue. We're not going to talk about it. And then here, clear all this out. This is going to be stuff I'm sending my mom. So that's leaving this weekend. And then over here, I cleaned out my desk. That's the makeup that I'm currently using. It's not kind of like my daily makeup. That's my trash, so I need to take that out. This is stuff that I need to put away. It's things that I've bought recently. This is a gift I need to wrap. But this is what the room currently looks like. I think we could do even better, but I think this is as good as it's gonna get. So I think we did pretty good. Or I think I did pretty good. Cleaned up the best I could. So this is the after. Alright, and I know you guys want to see my amazing outfit of the day. I'm wearing my Fuzzy Express velour hoodie, sweatshirt, with my Costco blue camo leggings, and my hair is still a disaster. So I'm gonna go run some errands, and then I'm gonna come back and shower when I come back, because I don't want to go out with a wet hair, but just want to throw something on simple, not trying to impress anyone. Okay, outfit update. Fixed my hair. That's as good as it's gonna get. But I ended up switching out my fuzzy sweater for this. It's like a long sleeve. I don't even know what you would call it, because it's like a thicker long sleeve, but it's like that heavy material. Got that at Costco. I'm all Costco'd out. These are from Costco. This is from Costco. And then I'm wearing my Hollister denim jacket, which is lined, because I think this will keep me warm. We'll see.
Hi, how's it going?
Hi, good, how are you?
Good. Need 10:30 for you. I have to turn up the brightness.
Oh, sorry. There it goes.
There you go.
Thank you.
Have a good one.
You too.
Best drink to exist is the, what is it? The Cocoa Cloud Iced Macchiato. Hello. It is 7 p.m. and we came to Costco and we bought a couple things. I needed ground beef and I needed to make a return. And now we're gonna have some delicious pizza, because pizza. Francisco is at his friend's house having dinner with his friends having pizza, so I'm gonna send him a picture and tell him how I am totally not jealous that he left me all alone. And I'm gonna have pizza now because I can, and I'm an adult and I can choose what I want to do. So just got home and we bought the La Terra Fina quiche 2-pack Costco. They're the spinach and artichoke, cheddar and broccoli pack, and it comes with 2 of them. And Jessica Braun made me buy it because she was talking about how they like to have this in with them at all times because it's an easy lunch or breakfast. So pretty much all you do is just throw it in the oven for 23 to 25 minutes. If it's frozen, oh, I guess you don't have to keep it frozen. That's pretty cool. We always get the ground beef from there because it's pretty much the best price that you can find. So this big old tray came out to $25.46, and this is the 88 lean 12% fat. So for what it is the best price that I can find, and we eat a lot of ground beef. So yeah, we just got home. It's 7:30, and we ended up going to Costco, do a return. We got some pizza there, picked those things up, and then I went to Ulta, returned a few things there. What else? Then we went to the Goodwill, dropped off a few donations that we gathered from like decluttering and all that. Still have to shower and edit some videos, so I'm probably gonna get on that right now. I don't think we're gonna go back out anymore. It's pretty cold outside, but while you're moving you don't feel it as much. But yeah, just wanted to check in, say hello. It is 1 in the morning. I think I'm gonna end the vlog here for tonight. I put on some intense Shea Moisture. What is it called? I think it's called like moisturizer serum. And look how glossy my face looks. Oh, I have an eyelash. But it's super moisturizing. We'll see how it feels in the morning. But anyways, don't forget to subscribe before you leave so you can follow along. And I'll see you guys on tomorrow's vlog. Bye.